Next is the junior line. This actually comes with a third bottle, which I don't have here today. It comes with the gentle shampoo, the gentle conditioner, and a gentle detangler. So children's hair is finer and more fragile than adults, so it's the gentle line. It is paraben free, sulfate free, dermatologist and ophthalmologist tested. It's You do not, once again, need a lot. My daughter is less than a year old. I use a pea-size amount of shampoo for her, and same for the conditioner. So the detangler, on the other hand, is being used by adults and children alike. So if you find your hair is really tangly, or even getting out of the shower, if you have really thick curls that are really tight, you may really like the detangler, just to help give an extra boost there to your conditioner. So this line is said it was tear free. Yeah, okay. So it's for 1-year-olds to 9-year-olds, but I mean, my daughter is less than a year old. We're using it, and I know kids that are 11 years old that are using it. So it just all depends on what you want. The only reason it's 1 to 9 is that's the study group they were testing it on. So yes, so super gentle, healthy once again, and junior line.